What's up, YouTube and Fluid Art family? My name is Jen Neal from Res Inspired. Welcome back. This video today, I'm focusing mainly on Primary Elements by COLOURARTE. It's their art pigments. Everything you see here is what's getting ready to be used in the video. My pouring medium is new. It consists of CRAFTNIQUE's Bright Tone High Gloss Varnish, and I'm still using the Glidden Premium Untinted Base 3. I have pictures in the video to show you that. The cell activator is going to be the Amsterdam Titanium White and the Australian Floetrol. You can get this on eBay for right now. You gotta dig, if not it's really expensive. Karen was nice enough to gift this to me when she came to visit. Thank you so much, Karen. I hope everybody's staying safe. I'm really getting nervous in my small little state. Cases are climbing, so please just follow what everybody's saying and stay home, stay healthy, and I will do my best to keep pumping out some videos to keep you busy. I'm gonna do a live Q&A next few days or so, so if you have any feedback or anything you would like me to do, I'm all for, I'm all open to suggestions. And yeah, stay safe, guys. I really appreciate everybody, and let's get started. We're going to use the primary elements tonight. I made some rainbow colors. I saw a color scheme that I kind of like. A lot of light colors. And I am going to use Australian Floetrol as much as I'm so trying not to. It was given to me by my friend Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. Might as well put it to good use. Ultimately, I did a couple pieces yesterday, rotating the two, and it just depends on what you like, really. This is a 1 part Amsterdam Titanium White to 3 parts of the Australian Floetrol. My colors were mixed with a pre-mixed pouring medium, which was 1 part of the Bright Tone to 3 parts of the Glidden Premium Untinted Base 3. I mixed that together. And then I did 1 part of paint to either 2 or 3 parts of the untinted base, depending on the shade. If it was a light color, it got 2 parts. If it was a darker color, it got 3 parts. If it was a really dark color or acrylics, like a semi-transparent to, or I'm sorry, semi-opaque to opaque, then it could even almost get 4 parts. So I'd always start with, like 2 parts of the pouring medium to, 1 part of the whatever I was using. I would stir it up, and then if I needed to add more, I would add more. So I'll do a video on all of that. But for the most part, we have Jasmine by Primary Elements. I did add a little bit of quinacridone magenta into there. Then this is Bougainvillea with a drop of Moonbeams from Primary Elements. This guy I've been dying to use for a long time. Mediterranean Blue. Okay. This guy is Mermaid Scales. And this is a mixture of Yellow Rose and Pixie Dust. I really wanted like a pastel yellow. So this guy is Mango Freeze with some neon orange from Artist Loft, which already thickened up on me. So we're going to need to add a little bit of water. Just a couple drops. It's like 4 or 5 drops. Just stir it up really good. You don't have to worry about bubbles. That should be all right. Okay. So same thing, Glidden Premium House Paint. Base 1 in semi-gloss. So yeah, I'm going to start right off in the center with a puddle. I'm going to widen out. You want to cover like 3/4 of your painting and then wind back up into the center. That's good. Leaves me a little left if I have to. You can stretch it out just a tad, like corner to corner, center yourself, go to the next corner, and then down to the following corner, and then come back into the center. Okay, you can use a toothpick and pop your bubbles. Use your finger, just smash it down in there. It'll pop. Focus, yep. Okay. So I'm just going to start off and coil outwards because I do want my puddles to be thin. So for my purple, Mediterranean blue, mermaid scale, pixie dust and yellow rose. I don't need a lot of that. Orange, I want a lot. Okay. I can even probably just put a drop of the pink just for contrast. Now I'm just going to float this on top. Okay. Right? Oh man, look at that. That's insane. I don't, oh, I know I have to touch it, but damn it, I don't want to. Get you guys up close, because this is just this is madness. Okay, I got it out of my system. There we go. That is so freaking pretty. Here we go. Let's do this. Yeah. Oh man. I don't want to lose my orange. Whoa, you guys should see the edges. Oh my gosh. Come on, baby. Just get it to me. Okay. Ah! Wow. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Whoa. Okay, that's it. I just cannot bring myself to doing any more right now. Whoa! Look at that. Whoa, you guys. Oh. Wait till you see the interference when it dries. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Wow. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.